In this video, I want to show you the settings I use on my Fibonacci retracement tool. Like this particular guy is asking from YouTube and this other guy is asking from TikTok. So let me quickly show you how I use it and how I set it up. I basically use this for smart money concept trading, not because of anything, but because I want to get premium discount and equilibrium level from a swing high and swing low. So let me quickly show you that. You can find your Fibonacci tool from trading view. If you head over to this place, from this icon, click on it, you're going to see Fibonacci retracement right here. I already selected this asterisk as my favorite, so I will simply click on it and put it where I want to measure from here to this place, for instance. And this is actually the default setting. I want to change it and show you how the settings are. If you come to settings right here, you're going to find it here. Click on it. After clicking on it, these are the settings. So basically what I need is the 50% level and the edges, that is the equilibrium and discount level. So I will start by unticking this guy. Okay, let me be showing you that. As you untick it, you will be seeing these horizontal lines are being cleared. Let me click on that. You're going to see. So if you click on this, you will see which of these ones you are unticking. So you're going to see them. This is the beginning, that is the premium. The zero level is actually here, so I'll leave these two. I will also untick this guy so you can see everything I'm doing. Untick that guy. I will untick this guy, so you will not see anything up there. This guy is gone. So the only one I have right here is 0.16. I'll also untick it. Sorry, I don't need it in this particular setup. So I will come here to the settings, change it to dark. Come here, change this one to dark color, and also change this one to a dark color. So if you like, you can leave it like that, and you can turn off the background color from here, and you're going to see it like this. So this is basically the 50% level, that is equilibrium, and this is the premium level and discount. So let me take it up and show you another one. The trend line, you can also make it more darker so you can see it clearly. So basically what you see up here is that from equilibrium, the middle of your Fibonacci tool is known as the equilibrium level, and that is halfway the Fib level, and then below the equilibrium is called a discount. So basically what we do is that we always want to sell at premium and we want to buy at discount. Discount simply means less expensive and it's affordable. People can buy from there, and at premium people sell from that. So the institutions do that a lot. They sell at premium, and whenever they are coming with institutional reference point, they want to sell. Anytime you are trading, and if they want to sell, they want to see these things in this manner, in this order of arrangement. They want to see liquidity voids first before fair value gap and bearish order block. They want to prioritize it in that manner, and then likewise if they want to buy from a discount, they want to still prioritize liquidity voids, fair value gap and bullish order block. This is bearish order block. So this is basically how I use my Fibonacci tool, the settings and everything I'm doing. So for instance, if I see price coming back here, is retracing to this area, what I'm going to look out for first is liquidity voids, which is simply these huge candles that are printing. I want to see it being filled up, and then I want to see fair value gap like this one. This is a fair value gap. Let me show you that. This empty space that is left is known as an imbalance. That's a fair value gap. Before I talk about a bearish order block, which is this particular level. This is a bearish order block, this green candle, the last green candle, and this is also a bearish order block. I'm just showing you this in this particular example. So this is how I used it. I have an in-depth video on how to use the PD array. I've made that video I think some few days back. If you check it, if you come to playlist on my YouTube channel, come to smart money concept, you're going to see that particular video I did on PD array. I think that video is very powerful. You can't afford to miss it. Let me scroll down and see the understanding ICT PD array beginner's guide. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel and watch this video. This is everything you need to know about this kind of information. So this is how we use it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the complete video of how to use this information. There is an exact way you can use this information. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.